Hi guys, what's going on? This is Daniel from Danny D Affiliate, and welcome to this training. And in this training, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can make money online using Facebook. And this strategy, like I said, it's not going to make you a millionaire, but at least you should be able to put some money in your pocket. I'm talking about between 10,000 to over 20,000 to over up to 100,000 naira in your pocket if you try it out. Now, I keep on saying there is no harm in trying. If you know you are not ready to make money for yourself using this strategy, please don't just go for it. Just go and relax somewhere. But if you know you are ready to put in the work, then let's get right into it. This strategy is one of the most underrated method of making money online, and practically my brother has been able to use this to make money online right before my face, because I actually have different strategies I use, but this one works, and this is one among the many free strategies that does not require a lot of effort. That is why you need to give it a trial. Okay, you just have to give it a try. You have nothing to lose. Are we good to go? So now the first thing you want to do is to first, because since we are going to be selling this one, we're going to be selling a product. So practically, let me explain to you what we're going to be doing. You can see so many products right here on the marketplace, on Facebook marketplace. And did you know that not necessarily all of this product actually belong to the person that won it? Now look at this car, for example. Here, this is over a million naira, and you know the funniest part, this a million naira car actually might not be for the owner, and the person who owns the car might want to sell the car for 800,000 naira, and the person who listed it on the Facebook marketplace, if anybody gets to buy for 1 million naira, the person gets to keep 200,000 naira as his own profit. That's how it works. That's practically how it works, and it's very, very powerful. So let's get started right now on exactly what we're going to be doing. Okay, so first step, we're gonna look for a product to sell. And when I mean look for a product to sell, practically I'm talking about physical products. So I would recommend you go to a nearby shop, especially for the shop of someone you know, someone you can talk to, or you can get the person who is selling all this like TV, like a mobile phone, like a car, something like that. Then let's say you get the price. Okay, make sure you just ask for the person for the price and how with the condition of the product you want to like sell. So if it is a phone, let's use iPhone 13 for example. So you have someone who wants to sell iPhone 13 for about, let's say, 100,000 naira. Okay, 100,000 naira. So just have that in mind. Remember, since the person told you it is 100,000 naira, you are not going to be selling it 100,000. You're going to be selling it at the rate of 130, because the person who wants to buy it might decide to price it to 120. Then you have 20,000 naira as your own profit. And I'm talking about that this strategy works within 1 week. Within 1 week, you've sold something. Go and try that. And I prefer you try with a mobile phone first, because it works better. Okay, but if you want bigger money, then you want to go for cars and other things like that, right? So now that's the first thing you want to do. Find a product from someone whom you know. Okay, then the next thing you want to do, you want to snap the product professionally. Okay, make sure if you are selling a car, you want to snap it professionally. You want to make sure you snap the view of the product itself. You want to make sure you snap the view of the product itself, every side. Okay, make sure you snap it very. If it is a phone, iPhone 13, you want to make sure that you snap the iPhone 13 very, very well. Snap everything about the phone, the back side, front side, and then put in the options. Okay, then this is the third step, which is very important. This is we're going to be uploading it on Facebook. Okay, on Facebook Marketplace, and we're going to make sales. So now here's what you want to do. Go to your Facebook account and then come to your marketplace, then click on create new listing. Then come down to item for sale, click on that. Then you want to upload the photos you've snapped, the photos you've captured, upload it right there. Then you want to put in the title of whatever you're selling. So if you are selling iPhone, you want to say iPhone 13 Pro, something like that, right? You want to put a price. Let's say the person wants to sell it for 100,000 naira. You want to put about 120, or you want to put about 130. Okay, 130,000 naira. Okay, once that is done, the next you want to put a category, and you want to go for appliances. Let's see if there's, so, or you want to go for miscellaneous or anything like that, right? So I'll go for, okay, this one I have mobile phones here. Mobile phones, the condition of the phone, is it good, is it, so just like that, put new, compatible, leave that one alone. Then you want to come down to option, what is the material? Okay, it's actually an apple. All right, Apple. Okay, so you can see iPhone here, iPhone XR, iPhone Galaxy, blah blah blah. Just leave that one alone, and let's continue from that. Then you go to color, leave that one alone. Go to description, write details about the phone, what it does, brand new phone, I don't know, works perfectly well. If the phone has an issue, you want to make sure you drop it right here. You can see everything I'm writing is showing at this right side right here. Okay, then list as a single item. Okay, list as a single item. Then product tags, you want to write mobile phone. You want to put phones. Just make sure you put the tags based on the product you're selling. Okay, you want to put iPhone 13. Simple. You want to put iPhone. Simple. Then come to the location. You want to drop the location of where you belong. Okay, Edo State. Edo State rather. Okay, click Edo State. Edo. Okay, so practically I'm in Auchi. Let me make it Auchi. Auchi. Edo State. All right, done. So I've done Auchi there. Then you want to like go and make it a public meetup. I think that's better. Then once that is done, add from a friend. You want to make sure you put your picture. Okay, once you put the picture, then you want to click on next, and bam, you are good to go. That will be practically everything, and this strategy is very, very powerful. All right, so you want to try this strategy out, but please listen and listen carefully to this. If you also need my mentorship program, I actually provided 2 mentorship program from one of my pages, which is the page where you can get access to my free trainings and other of my packages to make money online. You can get my my mentorship program for either 10,000 or 20,000 based on what you want. There should be a link or a button below this video or in the description. You can access it and then reach out to me if you want my mentorship program. And other than that, I also have other packages that practically teach you how to make money online. Please listen very well. These strategies I just taught right now, these are side hustles. They are not online business. Okay, they are not online business. Rather, they are not a passive income business. Okay, they are not. They are actually just side hustle. But if you want a passive income business whereby you can sleep and still be making money for yourself, and that is where my own personal strategy comes in place, and practically you can get that from either the epic package, the legendary, or the mythic package. And all the 3 packages will now determine what you want to learn and the kind of business you want to start. All right, so click on the link in the description or in the button below to access those training. Okay, to access those packages. It might cost you, that's just the truth. All right, so see you on the inside. Let's go.